Hey everyone, we have a returning Tara's must-have. And why is it returning? Because we have a brand new pattern we've added. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful, and I always have to do that to make sure I stay on track. Anyway, it's our dinnerware. It's our square dinnerware, and you guessed it, we have it for the first time ever available in Woodland. So take a peek at this, you guys. It is so stunning. I'm gonna actually show you first and foremost our salad or dessert plate. Look at that soft square shape that you see, and there's the hero. That's our beautiful Woodland. So that's actually carved into the stoneware. Glass glaze is then saturated around it, and that's what brings that pattern to life. Look at how beautiful it is around the border of that square dinnerware plate. We love to say it's hip to be square. And as you start to layer these pieces in, our beautiful square bowl as well. And then look even at this gorgeous mug. I love the pedestal there on the bottom, that square shape all the way around. You're going to receive service for 16 total pieces. And this is going to be the exclamation point on your table. I think we spend so much time getting the meal together. We spend so much time shopping the menu, and then we throw it out on the table in whatever we have. Well, now you can upgrade that dinnerware. You can get as many sets as you want. So if you want service for 8, service for 12, you order accordingly. We have Woodland. We have returning favorites in Old World and Floral Lace. We have completer sets to complete that whole look. So head over to temp-tations.com. You can shop our must-have, and you can see all the other colors and patterns we have available.